Hello students, here I Priya Sacha welcome you again in my online Pathshala for class 7th. In the previous video, we have discussed about exercise 3a. Now today I am going to discuss with you comparison of rational numbers. Before starting, I would suggest you all to like and subscribe this channel so whenever I upload my next video you will get the notification. Don't forget to write your name, class and section in comment box for daily attendance. Now come to the topic comparison of rational numbers. We know that all positive numbers are greater than 0 and negative numbers are smaller than 0. Also all negative rational numbers are smaller than the positive rational numbers, right? So on comparing positive rational numbers, exactly the same as we did for fractions, which we have learned already. So let's do for rational numbers. If the rational numbers have same denominators, the number having greater numerator is greater, right? So for example, you can see 3 by 17, 6 by 17, 11 by 17. Every time denominators are coming same. So in that case, you have to check numerators. So having greater numerator is the greater rational number. So from these three, which numerator is greater? 11. So that means 11 by 17 is greater rational number. Then from these two, 6 is greater than 3. So that means 6 by 17 is greater than the 3 by 17. So your answer will be 11 by 17 greater than the 6 by 17 greater than 3 by 17. Right? Second point is if the given rational numbers have the same numerator but different denominators. The rational numbers having greater denominator is smaller. For example, in this 7 by 13 and 7 by 15. Here numerators are same, 7, 7. So you have to see its denominator. So having greater denominator, having the smaller rational number. So that means in that case, just check 13 and 15. 15 is greater denominator, so that means 7 by 15 is the smaller rational number, right? So what you will write? 7 by 15 is smaller than 7 by 13, right? So if third point is if the given rational numbers have both the numerators and denominators different, we follow the method we learnt in comparing unlike fractions that we have done already. Clear? So there were two methods, cross multiplication and by making their denominators same. So here you have to do by the same these two methods you can apply. Clear? So here first method is cross multiplication method. In that if you have to compare 4 by 11 and 5 by 16. So by cross multiplication, the name itself says what you have to do. You have to do cross multiply. So first you will multiply the first rational numbers numerator with the second rational numbers denominator. So 4 into 16, that is 64, right? And then first rational numbers denominator with the second rational numbers numerator, that is 11 into 5, 55, right? First you have to multiply 4 into 11 and then you have to multiply 11 into 4 into 16 and then you have to multiply 11 into 5. Clear? So this will come. Now from these two numbers 64 and 55, which one is greater? 64 is greater. Clear? 64 is greater than 55. Then you can say this is first multiplication. So that means first rational number is greater than the second rational number, right? Now second method is by making their denominator same. If you have to compare these three rational numbers, 2 by 3, 4 by 7, 5 by 21. So second method is by making their denominator same. How will you make denominator same? By taking LCM only, right? So just take LCM. LCM of 3, 7 and 21. What will be the LCM? 21. Now every time you have to make denominator as 21. So just take first rational number 2 by 3, make its denominator as 21. Which number you have to multiply? 7. So 7 3s are 21 is the denominator and numerator will be 7 2s are 14. Right? Next is 4 by 7. Which number you have to multiply to make its denominator as 21? 3. 4 3s are 12 and 7 3s are 21. Now next is 5 by 21. Here already denominator is 21, so you have to multiply by only 1. Clear? So 5 by 21. Now check from these three rational numbers. Here every time denominators are coming same 21, so you have to check numerators. So the greater numerator will be the greatest rational number. So which one is greater? 14. So that means 14 by 21 is greater than the other two. So now from these two, which one is greater? This one. 12 by 21 is greater and the smaller one is 5 by 21. Clear? This is not an answer. Don't leave your question till here. Right? You have to convert all these three rational numbers in their original rational number. Right? So 14 by 21 means 2 by 3. Greater than 12 by 21 means 4 by 7. Greater than 5 by 21 means 5 by 21 only. So this will be the answer. Is it clear? Now next is comparing negative rational numbers. How will you compare negative rational numbers? So first method is we can compare the given negative rational numbers by ignoring their negative sign. You can ignore negative sign and compare them as we compare positive rational numbers, but by reversing their order. Right? It will be more clear when you will do by any example. So here compare minus 2 by 3, minus 4 by 7 and minus 5 by 21. So in that case we start by ignoring their negative sign. So when you will ignore, what will come? 2 by 3, 4 by 7, 5 by 21. Right? Now just do by the previous method which we have done for positive rational number. So same you have to do here only now. LCM of 3, 7 and 21 is 21. Make denominator as 21. 7 you have to multiply first. 3 7s are 21. 7 2s are 14. Right? So next is 4 by 7. Which number you have to multiply to make its denominator 21? That is 3. 4 3s are 12. 7 3s are 21. Right? Now next is 5 by 21. So no change because already denominator is 21. So you will write 5 by 21. Clear? Now write in descending order. First check numerators. Which numerator is greater? 14. So that means 14 by 21 is greater rational number. Now next is 12 by 21 and the last one is 5 by 21. Now convert into its original rational number. So it will be 14 by 21 will be 2 by 3. 12 by 21 will be 4 by 7 and 5 by 21 will be 5 by 21 only, right? This we have done already. Clear? Now if you have to put negative sign there, then what you will do, the sign here, when you will put negative sign here, then sign reversed, right? Like if you will write minus 2 by 3, minus 4 by 7 and minus 5 by 21, then these greater than sign reversed becomes smaller than. Clear? So according to that, minus 5 by 21 will be the greatest rational number, and then minus 4 by 7, and the smaller one is minus 2 by 3. Is it clear? Or second method is no need to ignore negative sign, just take LCM and then make denominator as 21. LCM is 21, so make denominator as 21, and every time in that case minus 14 by 21, minus 12 by 21, minus 5 by 21 will come, and then do by direct method. Clear? So according to that, the check numerators, minus 14, minus 12, minus 5. You know that for negative numbers, the greater value will be the smaller one, right? So that means minus 14 by 21 minus 2 by 3 will be smaller. Okay? So like this you can rearrange, right? So you can do by any of the method. So next is comparing positive and negative rational numbers. If you have to compare positive and negative rational numbers both, so what you will do, first you will take LCM. LCM of 3, 5 and 7. Here 3 is repeating 2 times, so write 3, 5, 7 LCM will be 21. Clear? Now you have to make denominator as 21. So sorry, 3, 5 and 7 LCM will be 105. Clear? So now make denominator as 105. So which number you have to multiply with 3 to make it as 105? That is 35. So when you will multiply numerator, 35 ones are 35, 35 into 3 when you will multiply, 105 will come. Then 3 by 5, make its denominator 105. Which number you have to multiply? 21. So when you will multiply 21 with 3, 63 will come, and 21 into 5 is 105, right? Now minus 4 by 7. Which number you have to multiply? 15. So with numerator and denominator you have to multiply 15. When you will multiply 15 fours are 60 and negative sign will come, and 15 into 7, 15 sevens are 105. Now the last one is minus 2 by 3. Which number multiplied? 35. Right? When you will multiply, denominator will be 105 and numerator will be minus 70. Right? Now compare, because all these denominators same, so you have to compare numerators only. So which numerator is greater? 35, 63. These two are in negative, so these two will be smaller one. You have to check from these two. So which one is greater? 63 by 105 and then 35 by 105, and then now from these two which one is greater? For negative value, the smallest number will be the greater negative value, right? So here minus 60 by 105 is greater, and then the smallest one is minus 70 by 105, right? Now convert into original rational number. 63 by 105 is 3 by 5. Greater than 35 into 1 upon 105 is 1 upon 3. Minus 60 upon 105 is minus 4 by 7. And minus 70 upon 105 is minus 2 by 3. So this will be the answer. Is it clear? Now one student is asking for exercise 3A 13th numerical. Right, so I am doing third part for you. Here you have to do cross multiplication. In that case you have to find the value of x. Minus 12 by 17 is equals to x by 119. So in that case you can do by cross multiplication. Right, so when you will do cross multiplication, minus 12 into 119 is equals to 17 into x. Clear? 17 into x you have to multiply, so you will write 17x. Minus 12 into 119 you will write minus 12 into 119. Clear? Now transpose this 17 that side. When you will transpose this 17 that side, here it is in multiplication with x. So when you will transpose here, it will be in division. Right? So now 17 ones are 17 sevens are 119. So x is equals to minus 12 into 7 is minus 84. 12 sevens are 84 and minus sign. So minus 84 will be the answer. Right? Now I am giving you from exercise 3B some numericals as homework. Do in your fair register. If any query, any doubt, then you can write in comment section. Clear? And PDF of this home task is also available in description below. In that homework you have to do first numerical in only book. Right? No need to do in classwork register. You will do second, third and fourth question in classwork register, even parts only. Right? Okay, bye bye, take care.